Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Jungle Disk Server Edition. The first thing you want to do, if you have not signed up, is go to jungledisc.com and click the sign up button. Fill out these fields to get started. We're going to skip ahead a little bit. Once you're all signed up, you'll come here, and the first thing you want to do is grab your license key. Click on your email address, go to Licenses, and take note of this license key. Alright, the next thing you want to do is switch over to your server that you want to back up. So I'm on my server here, and we are going to install the Jungle Disk software. We're going to get it at jungledisc.com/downloads. Okay, Server Edition is a two-part software: the agent and the management client. On the server itself, you want to install the agent. I'm going to go ahead and download that agent and run it. We're going to skip ahead a little bit. Okay, as you can see, we're still on our server. The next thing we need to do is set our license key for the software. So just go down to your menu and type in set license key. And this is where we're going to paste our license key. So if you didn't keep it handy, go back here, go to licenses, copy that license key, and paste it into the software. Make sure there aren't any trailing spaces or characters. Hit verify, and we've got confirmation. And we're done with the server, so we are going to switch back to the workstation. Jungle Disk Server Edition is a two-part software: the agent and the management client. You can put both parts on your server, or you can remotely manage your server's backups from a different machine, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and switch to our workstation. We'll be right back. And we're back on our workstation. On this machine, we're going to install the other part of the software, the Jungle Disk Server Edition management client. So we're going to go back to jungledisc.com/downloads. And this time we're going to get the server management software. And we're going to go ahead and install that. And we're going to skip ahead. Okay, looks like we're all done. And this is where we sign into the management client software. Go ahead and put in your account credentials. Okay, and we are connected. And here's our server. Let's go ahead and connect to that server by hitting connect. If we have the Jungle Disk Server Edition agent installed on multiple machines, they'll all be listed here. We're going to go ahead and connect to this server that we've installed it on. And we are prompted with the setup wizard. Hit next. And these are some online disk options. You can choose the storage provider, Google or Amazon. I'm going to choose Google. You can change the name. It's defaulted to the name of the machine, and you can either choose standard or high security. For this demo, I'm going to use standard security. And we are creating a new disk. Okay, this window is asking us to set the schedule for our backups and what we want backed up. So I'm going to choose every day at 12:45 a.m. That's fine. And I'm going to change this a little bit. I don't need these, but I do want to add some other directories. So I'm going to choose select other folders. And I'm going to drill into where I know I have some important data that I want backed up daily. And I'm going to back up my project. And you can see that it's been added to the bottom of the list. Hit next. And we're done configuring. Give it a moment while it sets up. And it looks like we're set. And our next scheduled backup is going to run in 10 hours and 30 minutes on our server. that's going to cover it today. Thanks for watching and hope you had a good time.